Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Guy. I'm Gunjan Kiratkar and today we will discuss about the new feature introduced in the Vancouver release, and that is the Access Analyzer. So first of all, we will discuss about what exactly the Access Analyzer is in this new release. So basically the Access Analyzer is an application that helps the administrator and the developer to view permission for the selected user, role or the group level. And using the access analyzer, organization can improve their security posture, identify the governance, risk management, strengthen their compliance level, and understand who can access what exactly. And basically, in order to access that particular access analyzer, what we have to do is you have to click on this all and then click here as the access analyzer, and you can see that there is one module with the access analyzer and the analyze permissions. But once you upgrade your instance into the Vancouver, then initially you will not get this module pre-installed in that. For that you need to navigate into the plugins. So let me go to the plugins, and within this plugin you can search here as access analyzer. So now it is already installed in my system. That you can see that it is showing one in the install. If it is not installed in your system, you can see that in this tab available for you. So you can install this access analyzer plugin in your PDI. The ID is this sn underscore access underscore analyzer, and you can install it. So basically after installation, you can click on here as access analyzer and then go to the analyze permissions. Now basically you can see here a few columns as analyzed by, and as I already told you that we can access the analyze particular user or the role or the group. So on what basis we need to analyze this? So I just wanted to check my roles, actually what I can access within this system for the incident table. So I'm selecting my account here as Gunjan Kiratkar, and I just wanted to check on the table level. If you click here, you can see here that client callable script include UI pages and the REST endpoints, the same thing which we can see at the ACL level as well while applying the ACL. So as we can apply the ACLs on all of these things, we can check the access on all of these things in the access analyzer as well. So I just wanted to check on the table level whether I am having access to the table level for the read, write, and the delete for particular incident table. So I'm typing here as an incident, then clicking on this. And suppose if you wanted to check for any particular record that suppose if you are not having any access to the particular incident, then you can check for that dedicated user, that dedicated record as well by checking or selecting that record from this field. Or you can see that ACLs are applied at the field level as well. So suppose if there are some fields which are not visible for this particular user, then you can check using this access analyzer if there is any ACL or something is restricting that particular field from accessing. So you can select that field from here as well. So all these fields are related to the incident table. So I just wanted to check all the access to this incident table for the user Gunjan Kiratkar. So I'm clicking on this analyze permission. Once I click on the analyze permission, then it will load all the users for the read, write, delete, list edit, and everything. And you can see that the all 10 access are passed for me because I'm the admin. As well as I'm having the security admin role, so it is at the topmost role within the ServiceNow instance. So I'm having all this role, and because of that, all this access are passed for me. But then we will check for the another user which are most probably not having all the access. So suppose I just wanted to check for the approver user and the same incident table. This one I don't want to check for the any record level or any field level, so I will just click on the analyze permissions. Once I click on that, you can see that the create, read, and write, these three access are given to this user. but the I can see that the delete access is not given, as well as there are many other options which are disabled or the block for this particular user. So you will get easily idea what why exactly this user is not able to delete it, because we are not allowing that user to delete that particular incident from that incident table. And because of that, the service now is restricting delete operation for that particular user. In order to check that, we what we can do is we can, okay, let me click on here in impersonator, then impersonate user, and this approver user. We will check is it true that the that user is not having any delete access from the incident table as per that access analyzer. So we will go to the incident dot list, and we will check whether he is having read access. So yes, that particular user is having the read access to the incident table, as well as you can see that the create access is also given to that particular user. So I'm just clicking on this and filling the mandatory details, and then click on submit. Okay, so the incident get created, but you can see that there is no as such delete option is present here. We can check from the list level as well. I'm clicking on this incident dot list. Then if I select this particular incident and if I go to this action, then you can see that the delete operation is a read only, we can't select it. That means we don't have read write for this particular incident or any incident within the ServiceNow instance for this particular user. So in this way, we can use the access analyzer basically in order to find out the particular access for that particular user at the field level, at the record level, and it is at the uh, analyze for any user group or for the role. So this is one demo for the user level. You can analyze more, and you can check more information regarding the access analyzer from the ServiceNow docs, as well as from this instance page, from this plugin page, and you can check here update details and all more information from here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video as helpful. Please do like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel, and also share this video with your ServiceNow squad. Thank you so much for watching it.